Today we have the 2022 Bmw X5. This is a hybrid electric diesel vehicle. It has done just over 18,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, communication, map and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. Using our sport mode buttons, we can switch between sport, comfort, eco pro and adaptive. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.